Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn and Fun. So today we are going to start with a new topic of maths, which is rational numbers. So in this video totally we have four parts: part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So let's start with part 1. So first let's see what are we going to learn today. So we are going to learn today that what are rational numbers, the basic thing, and then we are going with types of rational number, and then what is the standard form of a rational number. So let's start and cover all these topics in today's video. So what are rational numbers? So rational numbers, the numbers that are written in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not zero, is called a rational number. So P upon Q is basically a fraction over here, where the denominator is Q and the numerator is P, and the denominator Q is not equal to zero. So this is called as a rational number. The below given number system is not mandatory to learn, but it's better if you learn. So let me just read out for you once. So first in our inner circle we have the natural numbers, which are like 1 2 3 till any, it's like we can't indefinite. Then we have integers, like -1, -2, -3. So first of all, what is natural numbers? The numbers like which start from 1 excluding 0 and go till indefinite number. And integers are like they can go either to the left side of 0 and either even in the right side of the 0. So the natural number comes in the category of integers. So integers can be either negative or positive too. So next we have rational numbers. Rational numbers are mainly in the form of fraction, but not always. They can even be in the form of in decimals. So the integers and natural number come in the category of rational numbers. So some example given over here are 1 upon 2, minus 2 upon 3, and 2.25, which is a decimal number. So now we have real algebraic numbers. So all the numbers, like all complex, real algebraic, rational, integers and natural, is not mandatory to learn, but I'm just reading out for you. So real algebraic numbers. So these numbers are mainly under like in the form of a root. So like this is root 2, root 3, a plus and a plus root 5 upon 2. These are type of real algebraic. So now we are going to the real numbers. So real numbers like pi, e, -2 pi. So what is the value of pi? Just for earning, I'll tell you that the value of pi is either 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So next we go to the complex, which is the biggest circle, and all the type of numbers which are like real, algebraic, rational, integers and natural come under the category of complex numbers. So complex are like I is equals to under root pi -1 minus I 2I. So like complex is the biggest circle, and it undertakes all other types of numbers. So it can be in decimal, fraction, negative, positive, root and everything. So all the number come in the category of complex numbers. Okay, so now let's move on to our next topic. Now we have types of rational numbers. So there are two types of rational numbers, as we know. There are, first type is positive rational number and second is negative rational number. So this concept is not that difficult because the word and the type itself says what it is. So positive rational numbers. So first of all, let's see what are positive numbers. That's a basic definition which come on the right side of zero. Okay, so these are positive numbers. But now we are talking about positive rational numbers. So positive rational numbers. When the numerator and denominator are of the same sign, it is said to be a positive rational number. So positive number is when the numbers on the right side of the zero, but that concept won't be applied over here. So the concept is like the numerator and the denominator. So suppose we take like it's uh, x upon y. So when x upon y, and even x has a plus sign and a minus and y has also plus sign, then it is a positive rational number, because plus and plus cut the sign, and like if you don't even cut it, there will always be a plus. But if x has minus and even y has minus, they both get cut and there is left only plus and plus. So the signs always stay the same. So in simple words, uh, when a fraction has the same sign of numerator and denominator as a positive rational number. So now let's go to negative rational numbers. When the numerator and denominator have both different signs, it is said to be negative rational number. It is just the opposite of it. So how can I explain it? So we again take in rational number, which is x upon y. Okay, so x has the value, has a sign of plus and y has minus, then it becomes negative. But in the category of positive rational numbers, we had the concept of being x also minus and y also minus, or x plus and even y plus. So in positive, both the signs of the numerator and denominator are same, and in negative, the sign of positive and negative are different. So let's move on to our next topic. So this is the last topic of our today's video, uh, and that is standard form of rational numbers. A rational number is said to be in standard when p upon q are rational numbers and p and q do not have any common factors other than 1. So examples are given below. If you see, the standard form of 6 upon 12 is 1 upon 2. So in simple words, the lowest form of a number. So let's take this. Uh, just a minute. We'll take a number which is uh, 3 upon 4. Then we take another, this will be a. Now we take another number which is 12 upon 6. This is second number. And now we'll see if they are in the standard form. So they said that there should be no common factor other than 1. So is there a common factor in this 3 upon 4? Can we simplify it more further? No. That means we can say that it is already in its standard form. Okay, so this is standard form. And now let's go to B, second one, which is 12 upon 6. So 12 upon 6, does it have a common factor? Yes, it has a common factor which can be either 6 or even 2. So even 3 too, sorry, even 3. So if we simplify it, we start with the lowest number, which will be 2 6 are, and then 2 3s are, and then we get it as three twos are and 3 1s are. So this is the lowest form of this number. So now we can say that the standard form of 12 upon 6 is 1 upon 2, the simplest form. So thank you all for watching this video. We have covered all the topics of this lecture. We will have 3 more videos coming to our channel very soon. So please subscribe to our channel so that you can get the notification of other 3 videos, and please press the bell icon so you can watch it on the time it uploads. Thank you everybody. Please come again.